Hi, this is Rob Hammett, Director of Solutions at Justuno, and I want to welcome you to my office hours. Well, Office Hours is a live training course directed by me that is designed for anybody involved in the strategic implementation of Justuno. So that could be designers, developers, account managers, project managers, you name it. This program is designed so that you can get the most out of Justuno and uncover valuable new use cases, dive deep into the product, and learn about some strategic insights that we've learned over the years, even if that means talking about what not to do. We've done office hours with all types of agencies in the digital marketing space. Most commonly, I think that would be CRO agencies, email marketing agencies, paid media and social, all the way to development and design agencies. Well, we tailor a live training guided by your requests and fill in the blanks with a deeper product overview in the context of those use cases. And then follow it up with an Ask Me Anything session and a calendar link to book a one-on-one call with me. So whether that is improving ROAS or opt-in rates, increasing AOV and conversion rates, or you just want to get some teammates up to speed, we're here to help. Simply fill out a registration form and we'll send your team a survey about what you'd like to achieve within Justuno. Whatever your comfort level is in Justuno, I promise you'll leave my office hours with an array of use cases to take back to your clients that will serve their ROI goals. I look forward to seeing you in my office.